Instagram broadcast channels allow creators to send updates directly to their followers. These messages appear as push notifications and direct messages, making notification management essential for a good user experience. Here's what broadcast channel notifications look like on your phone. When creators invite you to join their channels, you'll receive notifications like these in your notification shade. There are three main ways to manage these notifications. The first method is through individual channel settings. You can tap the channel name, go to Settings, and then Notification Preferences. The second method uses global settings for a more comprehensive approach. Go to Instagram Settings, then Notifications, then Direct Messages, where you'll find a Broadcast Channels section to control all alerts universally. In the global settings, you can pause all push notifications or customize specific notification types. This gives you universal control over all broadcast channel alerts at once. The third method is selective muting. You can long press on specific broadcast messages and choose temporary muting options like 1 hour, 8 hours, 1 week, or until you turn them back on. Here's what a typical broadcast channel looks like. You can see updates from creators, and by long pressing any message, you can access the muting options without leaving the channel entirely. These three methods give you complete control over Instagram broadcast channel notifications. Whether you prefer individual channel management, global settings, or selective muting, you can customize your notification experience to match your preferences. Effective notification management requires following key best practices. These strategies help you maintain control while staying connected to content that matters. The first method for managing notifications is through channel-specific settings. This allows you to customize notifications for individual broadcast channels based on your interest level. The second method uses global settings to manage all broadcast channel notifications at once. This is efficient when you want to apply the same notification preferences across multiple channels. The third method is the quickest option for temporary notification control. You can instantly mute notifications from any broadcast message with flexible duration options. Remember these key strategies. Audit your channels regularly, use selective muting for temporary relief, and don't hesitate to provide feedback to creators about your notification preferences. These practices help maintain a balanced and enjoyable Instagram experience.